Toca DIDG-CG curved didgeridoo. This Toca version of the North Australian didgeridoo is beautiful and highly functional, which is why it also made our list of best didgeridoos for beginners. This didgeridoo is molded from synthetic materials into a sensuous curve capable of creating that undulating sound for which the didgeridoo is renowned. From the beginner who is searching for their first didgeridoo to a pro who is looking for an outdoor companion, this didgeridoo had something to offer anyone on the spectrum of instrumental mastery. The curved model offers a traditional aesthetic, authentic style, and full-bodied depth of sound. A didgeridoo that is complete with everything you need to get started on your didgeridoo adventure or to add to your collection. This design mimics the typical bamboo model, but boasts the extra durability and resistance to damage given by the specialized synthetic materials. In this gorgeous hand-painted instrument, you will find an enchanting, rich tone with the consistency that only a synthetic didgeridoo can provide. The nice D-note drone is never altered by dry or humid conditions and is almost completely weatherproof. If you're looking to go outside with your Didge and connect more deeply with the earth through its evocative vibrating sounds, this is the perfect didgeridoo for you. Here are some pros. Curved tube, 50 inches in length. Fun gecko design popping with color. Weatherproof shell, great for the outdoors. Great for beginners. Hand-painted and one of a kind. Trusted Toca percussion brand. And here are some cons. Synthetic materials are less traditional than the typical wood design. Not quite as easy to find for sale. One of the longest Didges on the list, making it more difficult to travel with.